But as you can see, we have a sofa and a chair, lamp. If you look out, this looks out to the lobby with a fountain down at the bottom. The other one in Nashville looked out to the pool, but we're not so lucky this time. But it's still nice. Over here. Over here, if you want to sit down and write a letter, all you have to do is pull out this little notebook, open it up, and it has letters, envelopes. You need to write a postcard to say, Phyllis, Jack, Patty, Pat, Chris, Jeff, Beth, Nick, my dad, anybody. It's right here. Or Jamie.
Pepper and candy.
And pepper and candy. And Tabitha's. Okay. Over here we have the television, which is very nifty. It has this little key down here. You cannot take it off the premises. It's locked.
So I'm the key to the room in my wallet.
Oh, and we also have this
in my wallet.
nifty key to the room. The key to the room just slides into the door. Come this way, I'll show you. In this little hall. Right here, it opens our door.
Unlocks it.
Very nifty.
How about that?
Oh, come down the hallway. You can see this hall is very lovely. And now I will demonstrate. Now I will demonstrate how to do the door. Just slide in.
Push it all the way in. Put it in there right.
And
There's the lace.
There's Randy. This way you can dress for success, and you have a mirror to see how successful you look.
This is Lisa's favorite room.
Come with me. Come with me. Look at this bed. Have you ever seen a bigger bed in your life? Check it out. 4 pillows. It's big. Extremely big. But gives me plenty of room to sleep. Okay. And they did come in and turn down our bed, and they laid this little piece of chocolate on our pillow right here before we attire for the night.
Retire, not attire.
No, attire. Retire.
Retire.
Whatever. Attire. Something different.
Retire.
Well, Randy and I are now going to get ready and go down to the jacuzzi and relax. And we might go for a dip in the pool. So, signing off from the Marriott in Memphis.
Bye.